Bagong chapter at bagong mukha ang hatid ng JDN Realty Group matapos nitong formal na tanggapin sina Corinne Diana Chua bilang JDN Brand Ambassador 2026 at Ariel Maritoni Cabatana bilang Miss Nepo 2026. Isinagawa ang Memorandum of Agreement o MOA signing ceremony nitong Huwebes, August 13 sa Angeles City. Bilang bagong kinatawan ng JDN Realty Group at Nepo community, makikibahagi sina Chua at Cabatana sa iba't ibang events, campaigns, community activities at outreach initiatives.
Corinne and Ariel, having you here with your families beside you as we officially welcome you to the JDN family. This is exactly the kind of moment we look forward to. You're not just taking the title today, you're becoming the face and the heart of JDN and Nepo Center to represent this community.
We celebrate two inspiring women who believe can be that source of inspiration for our community. To Miss Corinne Chua, our JDN Brand Ambassador, and Miss Ariel Cabatana, our Miss Nepo 2026, it is my great pleasure to welcome you both today. With our ambassadors' roles, I see not only a bright future for our Nepo community and the JDN family, but also an opportunity to create deeper connection and a more meaningful impact on the people we serve.
Para kay Chua, ang pagiging JDN Brand Ambassador ay pagkakataon na lumabas sa kanyang comfort zone, makakonekta sa mas maraming tao at gamitin ang kanyang talento para sa mas malaking purpose.
I'm incredibly grateful and honored to have been given this opportunity. I'm thrilled to officially become part of the JDN family and to support the company and the meaningful work it continues to do. And I'm very excited for this new journey, and I look forward to everything we will be able to accomplish together and for the community.
Samantala, binigyang diin ni Cabatana Miss Nepo 2026 ang kahalagahan ng service, integrity at excellence bilang mga pagpapahalagang nais niyang dalhin sa kanyang reign.
I saw how Nepo became a place where many families and friends could come together and truly feel a sense of community. I realized that is what I admired about JDN. It was not simply the place itself, but the purpose behind it. It was the idea of creating spaces that can become part of people's lives and eventually part of a community's story.
This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.